Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Creating a cozy home with rustic farmhouse style involves blending natural elements with vintage charm for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Start with a neutral color palette and include whites, beiges, and soft greys to create a calming backdrop. Incorporate reclaimed food furniture such as farmhouse table or distressed coffee table to add authenticity and character. Textiles like burlap, linen, and wool in the form of throw pillows, blankets, and curtains enhance the cozy vibe. Use metal accents like wood, iron, light fixture, galvanized patterns, or antique hardware to add a touch of industrial charm. Open shelving made from reclaimed wood provides both functionality and a place flowers, woven baskets, and potted plants to bring the outdoors in. A statement piece like a large farmhouse sink, a rustic sliding barn door, or a vintage inspired rug can enhance the space. Soft ambient lighting from table lamps, string lights, or candles enhances the warm, inviting feel. Personal touches like family heirlooms or handmade crafts add to the home's character and charm. Finally, ensure a comfortable and inviting seating arrangement with plenty of cozy spots to relax and unwind, complementing the rustic farmhouse aesthetic. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.